Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out With Me in My Kitchen Space. In today's episode, let's make some Weetabix, and this is a very good breakfast recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. With me here, I have my ingredients, and from this one, I have my Weetabix. I have my warm milk, but on a hot day, you can also use cold milk. I have some flavor, but you can also use the vanilla flavor, but I really like this lemon flavor, so that's what I'm going to be using for today's recipe. I have some fruits, and these are some black grapes, and of course I have my sweetener. I have some honey. You can also use some sucrose, or you can also use some sugar. And without further ado, let's get started. So as I mentioned, on a hot day you can use some cold milk. You do not have to warm it, and if at all you're going to be using cow milk, make sure that you boil your milk first before you use it. I'm using some packet milk, so I've just warmed it slightly. I'll start by breaking my Weetabix. Then I'm going to go in with some honey or also sugar. Then I'll go in with my milk. And for the milk, you can add as much or as little as you may want. It totally depends with how you want your consistency. If you want it runny, please add more milk. If at all you want it on the drier side, add less milk. So I just want mine stable, not too runny, neither too hard. Then I'll just go in with a few drops of some flavor. But this flavor is totally optional. Then I'll mix this. And you can already smell the aroma. I'm using some lemon flavor, so this is okay. Then I'm going to top it up with my fruits. These are some black grapes. And today's episode was that simple. I hope you enjoyed. So I'll give this a taste test. Kwanza the lemon flavor. This is good. Wow. I love this. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope it has done with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.